Hi, and welcome back to our writing class. So now today you are going to ride on a roller coaster that goes up and down. Imagine sitting on the bench for a long time waiting on the line. Then finally you step on to the stage and sit on the roller coaster. Then a slow ride later, it goes steeply up the hill. You say, what a slow ride. And then you whoosh down, loop the roots around the cloud and stuff. So, that was such a great ride doing it. So like now, how do we get these like roller coasters to go? Well, in order for them to move, I have my cursive instruction right on the other side of the board. Now, today, we will write the letter E. E, going on a little roller coaster. Okay, so today we're gonna write E. Can you spot the E? Not yet. Now, this is our cursive chart. As you could see, I got the E there. Now, practice writing the E, okay? We have this top line. This is the top line. What is the next line? Well, now we have the top line. This is the dotted line, and this is the bottom line. Top line, dotted line, bottom line. Okay, so remember, you have to sing the song with me, okay? It helps you remember all the lines. Okay, so are you ready? Let's begin. And make sure to listen to the song because you've got to say it again, okay? So now, as you know, let's begin. Now, this song, which you will hear in your lesson, is going to be repeated by yourself. And now, let's sing the song, okay? Top line, dotted line, bottom line two. Top line, dotted line, bottom line two. Top line, dotted line, bottom line two. We all like writing and it's all fun for me and you too. Okay, so it was really good and I put the two-part Isaac. Now, let's move on with our writing. Now, I want you to write the E, okay? The letter E, as you know, has a little roller coaster, loop-the-loop. But it's actually a going forward loop-the-loop, by the way. So now you are going to write the letter E for me a few times. Now the whole class is gonna write the letter E for me. So I see that some people have got the letter E right there too, but the other two had not accomplished their E as much as the others. Okay, so it looks like it's pretty good writing the letter E for you. Now I want all of you to look in your papers and trace the letter E for me, okay? I'm going to take the letter E into another place. Now, in order to write two letter E's, what do we do? Well, let's look here how the letter E goes. 1. Okay, so let's see. Start there. Now we trace all here down to the bottom line. Now 2 with a 2 number there, number 2. We're gonna trace number 2 like this. There, get the 2 to the top line, go to the bottom line a little curvy, and then move a slightly slanted direction. So those are the numbers that we got to practice. Number 3 is pretty easy. Now I'm going to teach you how to write like 2 letter E's at a time. How do we do it? Well, we need to write 2 roller coasters next together. So I've traced it. I've traced the letters. Now, what do we do next? Next of all, here, since we got our board having the letters already, now I'll have our pencils. Now, these are the 4 rules of writing. We need pasture, paper, pencil, and paste. There. So now let's look at this worksheet. Now in this worksheet, you're going to trace the letter E for me, okay? Now have you got your worksheet? Now we have our pencil. Have you all got our pencil? I have a giant pencil. So I'm going to hold the hand that I'm not using the pen here. Okay. And then hold it like that. And then the hand that I write with, like this. I'm going to use it like that. Now, I'm going to write with my gigantic pencil. As you see, this is a giant pencil. You can sometimes have like a normal general pencil, not a giant one like mine. Still, you could also have a giant one if you want. Now, use your pencil to write. Finally is paste. You paste. Remember to touch the lines, okay? Remember. Now, use your pencil like this. Use your pencil like this, okay? And then write. Or like this, for example. Then you write, okay? Now, look at your worksheet. Write with your pen. So here, now finally, as you know, now finally, trace the letter E for me, please. Okay, looks like you're all doing very well in your cursive. Anna and Donald are doing great. Isaac, Sally as well. Making me proud. All of your cursive letters are pretty good. By the way, I told you to write it. So after you do it, then you set down your pencil next to your worksheet, okay? So have you got your pencil next to your worksheet? Good writing. Okay, so are all of you finished by writing our letters of cursive? Now at home, I want you to write here. I want you to write one more line of E's for me, please. Your letters are really great. You might need to curve up your slant a little bit, Sally. Okay, they're all doing pretty good. Okay, so done. Are you done with your letter E? Now, trace at home. Trace the letter E with your on-site teacher and write number 1 and number 2. See you next time. So it is the end of today's Abeka lesson, and see you next time. Bye.